Hi guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my plantain porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, remember all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and check them out. Let me know what you think. Remember you can also find me on Facebook, J's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box. Go ahead and follow me over there also. So here I have my brown sugar. I also have my 2 green plantains. To give it a little bit more flavor, I'm going to add some coconut milk powder. I also have some vanilla flavoring, cinnamon powder, mixed spice. I also have my condensed milk, and this one contains cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg. I also have some freshly grated nutmeg. Here I have my blender. I also have a cutting board, my knife, water, my wooden spoon to mix. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and peel my plantain. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and peel my plantain because you don't want to blend your plantain with the skin on. You want to always ensure that you remove your plantain before you fry, before you cook, and before you make your porridge. Anything that you're making with plantain, always remove the skin first. And guys, also, if you're peeling plantain or banana and you don't want your hand to get stainy, you could go ahead and add some vegetable oil to your hand, and that will keep off some of the stain off your hand. So now that I'm finished peeling one plantain, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the other plantain. And guys, while I'm peeling the other plantain, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you watch this video, that means you enjoy it. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button now, guys. And also go over to Facebook and follow me over on Facebook, J's Kitchen. Alright guys, now that I'm finished peeling my 2 plantains, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice them up. Now guys, you don't want to just blend them like this. You want to ensure that you slice them up before you blend it, because it can damage your blender. And guys, I'm just gonna blend this for roughly 4 to 5 minutes until smooth. And I'll also show you what it looks like once I finish blending. Once again guys, remember to follow me on Facebook, J's Kitchen, and also subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's get to 2,000 subscribers. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my plantains. So guys, after blending for 4 to 5 minutes, this is what my blended plantain looks like. All smooth and ready to make my porridge. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start making my porridge. Here I have my pot that I'm going to cook my porridge in. I also have the water, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the water to the pot. I'm also going to add the cinnamon powder. And guys, remember in an earlier video I said to you that I love a lot of spices in my porridge. So I add the cinnamon powder. I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the mixed spice. And I'm also going to add some of the freshly grated nutmeg. And I'm just going to put this on the stove to come to a boil. And then I'm going to show you what I do after it starts boiling. So now guys that my spices is boiling up, I'm just going to go ahead and add the plantain mixture. Now guys, while you're adding, you want to ensure that you're mixing. If you don't mix your porridge, then it's going to have lumps in it. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it has lumps in it and what you're supposed to do. So I'm just mixing the plantain mixture and the spices together. At this stage now guys, I'm just gonna go in and add the coconut milk. And guys, just to inform you, I combine the coconut milk powder with some water before adding to the porridge mixture. So I'm just gonna mix this together until it is evenly distributed and allow it to cook for roughly 3 minutes, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it has lumps in it and what to do. So guys, at this stage, my porridge starts to have lumps. So what I'm going to do to reduce the lumps, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. So as you can see, I'm just adding the water and I'm mixing while adding the water. Guys, you see the lump going away. So I'm just mixing because I don't want my porridge to be too lumpy. And guys, if you see that it continues to lump, you can add some more water until the lumps just disappear. So I'm just going to mix this for another 7 minutes until it's cooked. Then we're going to sweeten. Alright guys, so after 7 minutes, it's time to go ahead and sweeten my plantain porridge. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add my vanilla flavoring. Once you add the vanilla flavoring, you're just going to go in and you're just going to mix the vanilla flavoring with the porridge mixture. Guys, you should smell this flavor coming. It smells so good. So now guys, I'm just going to go in and add the brown sugar. And I'm just going to add the condensed milk. For this porridge mixture guys, I use basically half of the condensed milk. Because even though it looks small on camera, it's a lot. And guys, there you have it, my plantain porridge. This is the finished product of my plantain porridge. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and see you in the next video.